Today, Sad and I are so excited to make Teighan's Crinkle Top Fudge Brownies. Here we already have buttered the pan, and whenever you make something chocolatey and not like a yellow batter or whatnot, you can just use cocoa to put right on top of the butter, and this will allow the brownies to come out easily, but also there is not going to be a white film on top. Now we're just going to knock it around. Now that the pan is ready, we're going to get the butter and the chocolate chips and put them in a pan to melt. The butter goes in, and we're going to allow for it to melt, and then to this we'll add the chocolate chips. The butter has melted and the chocolate chips go in. We're going to allow both ingredients to just melt together. Now we're going to stir in the vanilla. We didn't have instant coffee, so we used a little bit of espresso coffee and the sugar. Stir all this up really well and make sure it's well amalgamated. Now we're going to whisk the eggs until they kind of get a bit foamy on top. So I believe this is about right. Now we're going to add this to the butter and the melted chocolate chips. Now I'm going to temper the eggs by just adding a little bit of the chocolate mixture, stirring really well, and then slowly add more. Now to these ingredients, we're going to add the cocoa powder. See how nice and dark this one is? This is one that I get from Italy, and it is delicious. All this in, slowly we'll add the flour. Oops, look at there. One of our small flowers just made its way in there. Last but not least, the baking powder and a pinch of salt. To make it even more chocolatey, we're going to get these chocolate chips and fold them in. And those are going to be a wonderful surprise with each bite. I think we'll put it into our pan. And here we go. We're just going to pour it in and get every bit of this incredible batter out. Check out this gorgeous batter. It's ready to go into the oven. We have checked the temperature of the oven floor with the infrared thermometer. Now we're going to turn the flame out and place our brownies in. And here we go. We're going to place it in, close the door, and allow the oven to do its magic. Here's the damper on the chimney. When it's pointing down, it's open and the heat and smoke can escape. But when we turn it, it will close the chimney up and all the heat will stay inside. I think it's time to check on our brownies. It is smelling heavenly. Let's see here. Oh wow, look at these. And now the best part, we get to cut our nice little squares out. And now from this end, oh, does it smell good? The top is kind of crunchy, and I can tell with the knife the inside is still nice and gooey. And now very carefully, I would actually need the knife as well to get them out without breaking. We're going to take our brownies out and place them. And here we are, ready to be able to serve it looks absolutely delicious. I'm gonna put a dollop of whipping cream on there, and then just the dusting of espresso. And then we have a bit of a mint leaf and maybe a little pansy. Actually, these are Johnny Jump Ups. Look how cute they are. And I guess I'm gonna get to taste it. Oh wow. Nice and crunchy on top and gooey underneath. Oh, look at this. Buon appetito.